Hello everyone, taking a lesson further, today we'll be starting with our next topic, that is national development. Now, what is national development? National development basically means the development of the entire country. कोई भी nation के लिए development तभी है when that country has proper infrastructure facilities, where the health facilities are properly available, or where the education system is properly developed. So a country can become a developed country only when all the facilities are being given to its citizens. Now, in our earlier lecture, we studied that different people have different development goals. Similarly, the idea of national development also differs from person to person. If we take the example of your class, and if I ask the students of your class कि what will be a national development for you people, तो कुछ बच्चे कहेंगे कि मैम हमारी कंट्री में करप्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए, then only a country can become a developed nation. Similarly, कुछ बच्चे बोलेंगे कि मैम द एजुकेशन सिस्टम शुड गेट इम्प्रूव्ड, एजुकेशन सिस्टम अच्छा होगा तो we'll be having a skillful people, and those people can make our country developed. Similarly, कुछ बच्चे बोलेंगे कि मैम the health facilities should be improved, then only our country can become a developed country. So there are different people have different viewpoints regarding the national development. Now, out of all the viewpoints, how we have to decide that what is best for the country and what all things can lead to national development, and the answer to this is that greatest benefits to a large number of people, only those things should help in only those things can help in the national development, which will give greater benefits to a larger number of people of that particular country. Now we'll study that how we can compare different countries or states on the basis of their status of development. हम कैसे पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन सी कंट्री डेवलप्ड है, कौन सी कंट्री अंडर डेवलपमेंट है? So we have three criteria through which we can compare different countries or states on the basis of their status of development. The first criteria is national income. National income is the total income which is earned by the citizens of a country. एक country में जितने भी उसके citizens हैं, and the income which is earned by those citizens of that particular country is known as the national income of the country. We have a broader definition of national income which says that national income is the total value of all the final goods and services produced within a country and income earned from abroad. इसका मतलब है कि national income calculate करने के time पर we calculate the value of all the final goods which are produced in a country, as well as all the services which have been rendered in a country, also the income which has been earned by the citizens from the foreign countries. So national income includes the value of final goods and services produced within a country, as well as the income which is earned by its citizens from abroad. But this criteria has certain limitations. For example, if we take country A and country B, कंट्री ए की नेशनल इनकम कंट्री बी की नेशनल इनकम से ज़्यादा है, so we'll say that country A is more developed than country B. But there can be one reason that why the national income of country A is more than the national income of country B. The reason can be maybe the national income of country A is more than the national income of country B because the number of people living in country A is more than the number of people living in country B. So this criteria has certain limitations. So we'll move towards the next criteria which can be used for comparing different countries or states on the basis of development, and that criteria is average income. अब टोटल इनकम की लिमिटेशन से ही हमने एवरेज इनकम क्राइटेरिया लिया इन ऑर्डर टू कंपेयर डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. Now what is average income or per capita income? It is the total income divided by its total population. अब जैसे कि हमने कहा था कि कंट्री फर्स्ट पॉइंट में कि कंट्री ए की नेशनल इनकम कंट्री बी की नेशनल इनकम से इसीलिए ज़्यादा है because the total number of people living in country A is more than the number of people living in country B. But average income as a criteria solves this problem. अगर हम एवरेज इनकम लेंगे तो हमें पता लगेगा कि कंट्री ए में भी ऑन एन एवरेज पर्सन इतना ही अर्न करते हैं और कंट्री बी में भी जितनी पॉपुलेशन है ऑन एन एवरेज सिमिलर इक्वल टू कंट्री बी ही अर्न करते हैं. So we'll come to a conclusion that both the countries are equally developed. So per capita income as a measure can be used for comparing different countries because it tells us that on an average what a person is likely to earn in a country. Then other than per capita income, we also compare different countries or states on the basis of other criterias, which includes the health facilities and the education facilities. Obviously जहाँ पर health facilities, education facilities and other infrastructure facilities available होंगी वही country ज़्यादा develop होगी than the other countries. Now we'll study that how average income being used as a criteria for comparing different countries or states on the basis of development has also certain limitations. We can see the limitations of average income with the help of an example. In our example, we have taken two countries, that is country A and country B. And for the simplification of the data, we have assumed that there are 5 citizens in country A as well as 5 citizens in country B. If we look at the average income of both the countries, we'll find out that the average income of country A and country B are equal. So we'll say that according to average income, both the countries are equally developed. Whereas if we see the monthly income of the citizens of country A and B, then we'll find out that in country A, the people are earning almost equal income, whereas in country B, all the 4 citizens are poor except for the citizen 5. So if we see the individual monthly income of the citizens of country A and B, then we'll find out that country A is more developed than the country B. So average income is though useful for comparing countries, but they also hide disparities. Disparities means differences. ठीक है, जो average income है, it has certain limitations. And what are the limitations? That it does not give us the true picture regarding the country, as it does not tell us the distribution of income. ये हमको average income से हमें ये नहीं पता लगता that how the income has been distributed among the citizens of the country. With this, we will end our session today. I hope the topics are clear to you. Thank you.